We found him. You know, when I was looking for him last night, I was so crazy, like, just frantic. And he was with me the whole time. These are happy tears, okay? They're also what the fuck tears, and they're also I'm so silly and stupid and ridiculous tears. But like I told you before, this is why God is the original comedian, okay? I have a real problem with people that they put me up on a pedestal and they're like, oh my God, you're so amazing, oh my God, oh my God. Worship God. Worship God. I'm just a vessel. If I'm amazing, it's because of my Creator. He's speaking through me. He's doing comedy through me. He's playing music through me. He was here the whole time. You know, sometimes I wish that, like, God would at least, like, throw down, you know, like a paper airplane or something, like with like a note on it that's like, hey, look on the floorboards. Look on the floorboard of your car again, you know. But you know what's funny? It was in this hat. Just love. I know it's just a symbol, but it means a lot to me, okay? And what's really weird is that this cross, this item, this beaded Jesus, was made by a friend of mine. Her name was Joy, and I met her at an AA meeting, and she was a pretty strong Christian. Now, I wasn't a Christian at the time. I was just helping her with this little art project she was doing, and so she gave me one of these, and I kept it with me for the longest time. And then when I became a Christian, I just started taking it with me everywhere I went. And I just found that really interesting that, you know, I had this item for so long and it didn't really mean anything. And now all of a sudden, like, you know, it's so important that I'll have a PTSD episode if I can't find it. And I'll frantically search my car multiple times and it's in the car, but I'm so crazy that I still can't see it. But yes, it was in the Just Love coffee hat. In the floorboards. Oh man, my life is hilarious. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for allowing me to see how funny it is. Thank you for allowing me to see how funny everything is. Specifically, my shit show of a country and this shit show of a culture. Oh, and thank you for putting certain people in my life, the people that watch this channel, the people that watch my comedy and appreciate it and understand it, the people at my work that don't get offended by my political incorrectness, and all the people that I've listened to over the years that have really, really inspired me, whether they believed in you or not, you really believed in them. And so, appreciate you, as you know. But, you know, we are in constant prayer mode, y'all. You just don't even understand.